Cushions have arrived. Okay, pretty cool couch. This one houses a couple things. So wheel well is near the front on this bus because it's a flat nose. This little vent down here though, I've talked about it a couple times. It's an access port for the Vario heater that's up front here. What else does this couch do? Okay, well, cushions look awesome. So those were done by my mother. She's our seamstress. And she's been a little busy lately. Okay, to extend this into a bed, lift it up. On each side we've got a locking slide, heavy duty. Boom. Just like that. So, inside of these units, they each lift up. And you've actually got some drawer space. Okay, Gandalf is done behind me. Well, it's almost done. The bed is currently going in. Got some traffic coming. Just a second. You really gotta look out for John. He kicks this. Okay, so last install is the mattress. So I'll maybe show that off a little bit. I'm not gonna show too much more in Gandalf. I'm gonna do... Okay, so once mattress goes in, I'll do a little gimbal tour. And then that's gonna be it until you guys see the full walkthrough.
We'll just, we'll cut the end open here actually, and we'll just slide it on the bag. I ripped my booty! Oh, it's not gonna fit. You gotta go farther. Go farther, John.
Today is starting in Rooster. We've had an accident. So something got dropped on the floor. So here's our den. A little bit of repairs to do. This happens. We do our best to protect it. Specifically, it's the floor. I'm not even gonna explain it. I'll just show you how we're gonna fix it. Okay, step one, we have to remove the laminate board. Step two, that's going to be using the oscillator to finish off the cuts and get the board out of there. Okay, step three in the laminate floor repair. What would you say?
I'm going to remove my tape and then I'm going to pull out those pieces like you said.
Okay, so carefully prying out your perimeter pieces now. So these are the pieces that are actually locked in the tongue and groove type click.
So this will be the last time this.
Okay, so once John has those pieces pried up, step four is going to be putting Christian's prepped piece back in.
So this is what the piece looks like. Okay, so it has a little bit of a nub right here that would fit under the other piece of flooring. You have to cut that off, which I did right here. Right here, see how it's flush now? And then I took, because cutting that off opens this sealed wood, like this is a sealed laminate flooring, it's waterproof. So it opens up the seal. So then I took some CA glue and I resealed that edge. And also what you need to do, this piece would go underneath that flooring because you have to put this one in. You can't get two pieces under two pieces of flooring the way that it's, because it's in the middle, so you have to cut this off. So what I did here is I cut that off just a little bit on a back bevel so there's nothing in the road. And then I sealed that up too as well. make sure it's kind of able to get in there. Oh yeah, we're good. Just put
What are we
this
using again?
CA glue.
Oil?
CBD oil.
How quick does this stuff dry?
Do you need another tube of that, Christian? Is there a lot in there?
No, I don't know. I don't know if we have another tube.
You have to glue that other side too, right?
Yeah.
What do you call this glue?
CA glue, cyanoacrylate glue. It's just crazy glue.
Okay, so before your piece goes back in, the area is clean. He's got his cyanoacrylate,
Cyanoacrylate glue.
CA glue, and now we pop it in.
Good to go.
Glue sock day.
What do you want for weight?
I don't friggin' know.
Is it staying down or what?
It is, but it is up a little.
Go grab 2 10-pounders. Do you need help with those?
Is that a 2-man job or what?
Okay, so this piece is glued down. It looks very good. Now we're just gonna put some weight on top of it just to make sure that glue has a chance to dry up. And we've got a full repair. All right, John, John and Christian, what would you rate that fix?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Easy, right?
Yeah,
Easy.
simple.
Daunting task. These guys made it look easy, but there's the steps, and that's a finished laminate repair. Next, I showed off the acoustic, I don't even know what to call it, studio. The studio room in Rooster, it got covered, well, 360. All the walls, roof, everything but the floor, I guess, got covered in acoustical tiles. Our client's a bit of a singer, likes to play music loud. It's a pretty cool space. We did do an acoustical test. I'd say it's pretty good.
The ones on the roof don't stay up.
Didn't even know you were in here. So what are these?
They're acoustic tiles. We attached them on the wall. The owner wanted them to be removable, so they just attach on with Velcro in the 4 corners and one in the center.
Okay, there's a studio. On the roof, on the door. Man, it is spooky in here. No white noise, it's a little bit weird. A little too much thoughts. Okay, we are in Rooster's bus right now, or the bus Rooster. Sorry, John.
Oh, that's fine. You just keep
Need to
talking.
go by?
Well, you're kind of right where I need to work, but you just keep going.
Well, where do you want me, John?
Right where you're at. I'll just get underneath you.
We're going to do a sound test. This bus has an onboard studio for singing, music, anything that makes noise. How should we do this, Christian? We're gonna do a sound test from inside. We're gonna do a scream with the door open. We're gonna measure the decibel rating. Ow. I have an app.
Oh.
Then we're gonna close the door, measure it. We'll see if we have a sound deadening factor. Okay, here we go. Okay, test number 1. Christian is in location. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here goes the scream. Door open. Sorry, do that again. Okay, take 2. Scream with the door open. I forgot to hit stop. Okay, ready. Oh, that's horrendous. Okay, we have a reading. He clocked in at a whopping 82 decibels. I think that's hearing damage.
Just close the door and be like, don't do anything.
We promise we're not duping you guys. Part 2, we're gonna do a scream with the door closed. All right, whenever you're ready. Okay, I don't know how accurate that was, but it was noticeably quiet. 62 decibels.
Just let out your inner voice.
That's a good studio room for on an RV. So to end off the week, we've got terribly frigid temperatures. It's quite ridiculous, but we make it through. We wish Cole luck. He's gonna be crawling under a bus to get it started. This isn't gonna be easy. To wrap up the week, here is a tour of our builds.